My name is Newton Siele. I'm the CEO for Phillips Pharmaceuticals Pharma Division. Phillips is a distribution company dealing in pharmaceuticals, devices, and nutritionals. We have been in existence from 1991, so we actually turn about 30 years at the end of the year. Growthpad presented a fantastic opportunity to really establish our digital presence. Prior to working with Growthpad, as I said, we are traditionally established on face-to-face selling. Obviously, I think with the changing of times, with the coming up of digital platforms and more customers are being engaged, we felt it was really necessary to also adapt our marketing strategy. So one of the key things that we started in 2017 is what we call the Phillips Top 100. And we really worked very closely with Growthpad in developing this concept. And beyond just having it as a concept phase is really sort of ensuring that it aligned with our objective. And I must say for us, I think looking back at the journey, we are now probably looking closely at about 4,000 plus of our stakeholders that we've been able to engage through training on these platforms. And I think there has been a success, of course, from a digital aspect. Pharmaceutical marketing is a very highly regulated field, and I think even within the digital space, there's also a lot of limitations in terms of what you can do to make sure that you're in adherence, of course, of the compliance and the regulatory guidelines that are provided. So for us, I think we tried initially, sort of internally, to try and have like a digital plan, and subsequently, of course, tried looking at other ways that we could reach some of our clients and customers who could be accessed either through WhatsApp or Facebook or many of the other digital platforms. And I must say it's of course a challenge if you're getting into a field that you've not really been in. It's not our core area of expertise. So I can't say that we were very successful. I think we had some limited success in terms of reach, but I cannot compare it to where maybe Philips Top 100 is now today, which is, I think, is a well-known product, which is really as a result of that successful collaboration that we had. It really is exemplified by the journey. I think being able to start from just having a training platform, eventually developing it into a web platform and into an app which is now available on the Android platform is really in itself a very true testimony of a fantastic collaboration. We're happy today. I think as we speak, we have more than 1,000 downloads of our app. We've had a lot of our clients that have gone through trainings through this app that we have collaborated with Growthpad. And I must say it's also been a very good learning curve for our staff. I think we have seen a much more bigger role that digital communications has taken, unlike maybe 5 or 6 years before. And so working with Growthpad has been great. I think we've learned a lot, and we really would want to also hope that we can be able to even strengthen this collaboration further, be able to learn from some of the challenges that we have encountered, and together, of course, make sure that we are developing products that are really in tune with the customer's needs. So I think for other business executives out there, I would urge them that you need to probably take a step back and ask yourself, what is it that you could be missing out that is now reachable through this fantastic digital space? And I think the beauty of working with partners like Growthpad is really being able to also work with a generation that identifies the generation that you're targeting, which is really important. When you have people that also know what is out there and what is being partaken, so to put it, it makes it easier to then tailor programs, campaigns, messages, products, whatever it is that you are trying to reach. I think digital media is now the place to be more than ever.